Hi, my name is Professor John Komperda. I wanted you to know that UIC provides students with access to free Fundamentals of Engineering, meaning FE exam, practice materials through a prep course that's free to you, but not free to us because we're paying for it. Today, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial of how to access these materials and sign up for the free 1-year online prep course. Now we'll go through the process of how to actually access the learning materials. You will begin by going to this specific Kaplan website. It is go.kaplan.com/Illinois. This is our specific webpage where you will access the materials. Scroll to the bottom, find your institution, and click on University of Illinois Chicago. At that stage, you would see a sign-up page where you log in via your institution, you state that you're an engineer, you fill out some demographic information, and it creates an account. After doing that, you will reach a dashboard. Now, in the dashboard, you won't have this My Learning, I've already signed up, but you will have a button that says Explore Catalog. Click on Explore Catalog. In there, you're going to see different types of courses, but you are a current undergraduate student. You will then select your college, which is engineering, and it will ask you to select your discipline. Here from the dropdown, we see all of the FE exam prep that is available. My students will do the mechanical FE exam prep, but if you're from one of the other majors and you're watching this video, we also have the EC, civil, and chemical exam preps available. So I'll go ahead and click mechanical. And when we browse products, it will take me to this specific package for the FE mechanical exam, 1 year of material, 3,000 problems, flashcards, covers all the material, gives you access to the FE mechanical review book, basically everything you want to get ready for the FE exam. You're going to hit enroll, and then you would confirm enrollment. I'm not going to because I'm already signed up. So after you do that, you'll essentially reach where you have this page you can launch that says FE Mechanical Exam Review Program. When you launch it, you will go right into the class and you can get started. Put your, when you finish, your availability, your overrides, and you can get started on taking this exam to prepare for the FE, or taking this class to prepare for the FE. If you have any questions, run into any hardships, anything, please feel free to contact me at johnk@uic.edu. But this is a great resource for you to just be able to finish the FE mechanical exam, and it's at no cost to you, just so you could be better prepared for your future career. I hope this helps, and have a great day.